Hello, welcome to Happy Learning. So, we are going to create a series of videos for Hadoop tutorial or on Spark tutorial and Hive tutorial. So, to start with, you need an environment to run your Hadoop program, MapReduce program, and Spark or Hive MapReduce programs. So, today this is my first video for to use the IBM Cloud environment for your Hadoop and MapReduce programs. So actually IBM Cloud provides a 6 months free trial period, so anybody can make use of it, and you can explore the cloud related technologies and even run your MapReduce program inside Hadoop Cloud. You can create environment, you can create multiple cluster environment, and you can write your MapReduce program using Java or Spark or Hive or Pig. So the IBM Cloud comes with the inbuilt environment for all this actually. So in this video, particularly I will show you how to get your 6 months trial version in the IBM Cloud. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is sign up for cognitiveclasses.ai. So the cognitive classes have multiple courses or learning paths available in even big data or even Spark or in multiple data science or any technologies. So this is completely free. So when you sign up for cognitive classes, after your first login, you will be getting a promo code for IBM Cloud 6 months trial version. That is very much enough for you. You can complete your online courses in 1 week, and you have ample amount of time to run your programs and be an expert in Hadoop. So the next thing what you need to do is sign up for an IBM Cloud account, and after your first login, use your promo code and increase your trial version for 6 months. So the screen currently showing all the links required for you. Cognitiveclasses.ai is the link where you need to get your promo code, and cloud.ibm.com is your link for your cloud account. I will show you this after this. So as I told you, there are multiple uses in IBM Cloud. The inbuilt environment to run your big data, not only Hadoop, it comes with multiple inbuilt technology, you can host your Java program, microservices, Spring Boot application, and also you can monitor the cloud. So you can be an cloud administrator or even a developer. So, and also it comes with many container management, like a Docker. Everything is inbuilt, so you don't need to worry about installation of all these things. As you log into the IBM Cloud, you can create instance, and the instance is a VM, and that is readily available with all your technologies, where you can host your program, run your program, and learn it. So as I told you, when you sign up and log in first time in the cognitive classes, I'll show you where to get your promo code. When you log in first time, you'll be able to see your promo code on the right hand side of your screen. You can copy that and create an account in IBM Cloud. It's a light free account. Then we go to the account settings and upgrade your account. So there will be an option for apply promo code. Just click apply code. Enter your promo code there. And click save or retry. Then you will be getting your 6 months trial version absolutely free. So after your upgraded version, trial version, I'll show you like how your IBM Cloud login will look. So this is your dashboard, and you can create resources, n number of resources available in IBM Cloud. That's all. Thank you.